Dear students, today we are going to learn about the my family. What is your family? Do you know? Family means there should be some people who will live with you and somehow you should be related with them. They are called the family. Do you have family? Yes, we all have family. Definitely you also should have family. So the family who are staying with you. And one more thing, the different family is not same. There are different kind of family. Another thing is there, each person in a family are considered as family member. So you are a family member, your mother is a family member, your father is a family member, your grandmother is a family member, your grandfather is a family member. Do you know who is your grandfather, grandmother? Are you staying with them? Are they telling you stories? It's very enjoying and very exciting also, isn't? Very frequently, we all are listening different stories from them, from our grandparents. So definitely, you should respect them, you should love them, you should look into them whatever they need also. And one more thing, I now want to say, there are three kind of family. First, the small family, next the big family, next the joint family. Now we will read about the Rani. I am Rani, this is my family, my mother, father, brother and I live together. Raju is my brother, I am his sister. That means here all of you are able to see Rani. She is telling about herself and here she is telling about her family. How many members are residing in her family? 4 members, including her. First one, her father, her mother, her brother and she. 4 members, they live in their family. And what is about her brother? Raju. Raju is her brother and she is his sister. She is his sister. Yes. So next thing, father, mother and children make a family. Yes. How is it possible? Father, mother and the children, they should be with each other. That one is called family. Next thing, and each one in a family is called the member of that family. They live together and care for each other. Friends, here is photo frame. Paste a picture of your family here. See here, this space is there. Here you have to paste your family picture. So in your family, how many members residing with you? Do you know? Your parents, that means your mother, your father. They are called your parents. Yes. And what about the grandparents? Grandparents means your grandmother and your grandfather. They are called your grandparents. Yes. So grandparents and parents, who are called, you know? Next thing, we will learn about the different family. Some family, all of you see, here have a look on Rosa's family. Rosa's family, yes. See here, she is Rosa and he is her brother. And she is Rosa's mother and he is Rosa's father. That means in Rosa's family, how many family members are there? 4 family members are there. Is it clear? And this kind of family is called small family, where the parent should be there and the child should be there. It may be one or two, not more than two. That kind of family is called small family. See here, small family means parents plus child. How many child? One or two child. They are called small family. This kind of family in where the maximum 4 family members are present. That kind of family is called small family. Next one, big family. So big family, after listening the name you get that one should be family, should be big. So that means the family member should be more. Here the parents plus children, that should be more than 2. So the family where the parents are residing with more than 2 children, those kind of family are called big family. Some families are big. All of your friends, you should ask to them that how many family members do they have. So on that time you can understand, is it small family or is it big family? And here you can see the picture. Here this one is the Rajan's family. Yes, this one is the Rajan's family. See here, he is Rajan and she is his brother. She is his brother. Next, see here, one newly born child is there. He is Rajan's brother and she is Rajan's mother and he is Rajan's father. So that means how many members are there? Here 5 members are there. So that kind of family is called big family. So children should be more than 2. How many number? It may be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but more than 2 it should be. On that time it is considered as big family. Next, if you will see this family, so many members are there, so many family members, isn't it? The children are there, the parents are there, the grandparents are there, uncles are there, aunts are there. So this kind of family is called joint family. When the parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts and the cousins, that means uncle, aunts, children, they are also residing with you on that time, that one is called the joint family. Is it clear? So again I am saying, see here, small family means parents should be there along with child. The number of child should be 1 or 2. For the case of big family, how many children should be there? More than 2 and parents mandatory. Parents plus children, that one is also more than 2. Next, the joint family, parents plus children plus uncles plus grandparents plus aunts plus cousins. They all should be present. So this kind of present is called the joint family. So is it clear to you? And one more thing, if you will search that the small family is happy family and another name of the small family is nuclear family. If you will see the big family is not that much happy with respect to small family, because there, for the case of small family, the children, they are getting good education, good food, good clothes. So these all availability are more for the case of small family. But for the case of big family, that one is not available. Those things are not that many amount of available. The limit is less. So that is why the big family is not that much happy family. Next one, the joint family. For the case of joint family, you should always keep in mind one thing, that whatever the work is there, on that time you have to share whatever the work is there. That means it may be any small work, it may be any hard work, you have to try at least. Is it clear? And always you have to be cooperative with your family member, whatever they will say you when you was very small. That means when you born, do you know one thing, that you was not able to do your work also? So all those work, who did? Your family members. Yes, your parents, your grandparents, they did. So definitely you have to look care of them. You have to take care of them. You have to look into them. You have to see what they need, what they like, in which situation they are comfortable. These all the things you have to do. Is it clear? And you should never raise any question. Whenever they will ask you regarding anything, any queries they have, you should clarify their doubts. You should not raise any question on them. Is it clear? And you should be polite with them. You should be respectful all time. You should respect them. You should not do any kind of misbehavior with them. You should not hurt them. You should spend more time along with them. That one will be a very good thing. In this way, you can form your family also, happy family. And one more thing, if you will see that there is one thing, that one is the surname. Which one is the common name for your family? Yes, surname. Surname, what is it? That one is the identity of each family. And whenever any new family member will born, on that time that family member also will get that new surname. That means new surname means the surname which one you use, that one. So surname is the identity of each family, and that one is always being followed by your own name. First your name, then your surname. In this way,